Selling on Stockx, a popular sneaker and streetwear marketplace, involves a unique process of auction-style selling. Here's a concise guide. Create an account, sign up on the Stockx website or app to start selling. List your item. Find the product you want to sell in Stockx's catalog. If available, select your size and condition. List your asking price, which is the minimum price you're willing to accept. Wait for a bid. Buyers on Stockx place bids on your listed item. When a bid matches your asking price, the sale is executed and you're notified. Shipping. Once the sale is confirmed, you will receive a shipping label from Stockx. Carefully package your item and send it to Stockx for authentication. Authentication. Stockx's team verifies the authenticity and condition of the item. If it passes, the item is sent to the buyer. If not, Stockx will work with you and the buyer to resolve the issue. Payment. After the item is authenticated, you will receive payment to your Stockx account, which you can withdraw to your bank or PayPal account. Seller fees. Keep in mind that Stockx charges seller fees, which include the transaction fee and the processing fee. Communication. Stockx facilitates communication between buyers and sellers. Keep an eye on your notifications and respond promptly to ensure a smooth process. Sale confirmation. Once your item arrives at Stockx and is authenticated, you will receive a confirmation email about the successful sale.